Hey guys, welcome back. This video is my first ever giveaway video to celebrate our 6th month in launching this YouTube channel. Some of you may already know, my name is Greg and I created this channel to share my passion of doing small mods, product reviews, and install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. I have partnered with Auxito, one of the most advanced and premium quality of automotive LED lighting. Here are just a few of the products I've installed myself. Before we jump into the details, please help me out by hitting that thumbs up button. I also want to take this time to thank you all for your support in this channel. I wouldn't have had the motivation to create all these videos if it weren't for all of you. Now let's get to the details. We partnered with Auxito to do this giveaway. They will be giving away any pair of LED light bulbs from their official website, www.auxito.com. You can also find them on YouTube at Auxito LED. There are just 2 simple rules to enter. Subscribe to my channel, Auto Sensation, and comment below and let me know what pair of light bulbs from Auxito you are interested in. Or maybe let me know what car you plan on putting them on. It's that easy. The contest runs from April 11th, 2022, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and ends on April 17th, 2022, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We will announce the winner on April 17th at 5:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time by updating the description of this video with the winner. The winner will have 1 week to contact us. If the winner does not contact us within 1 week, unfortunately, you will be disqualified and we will go ahead and choose another winner. Since we can't reach out to you, you would have to keep an eye out on the description to see if you won and then reach out to us. Once you reach out to us, we will send you a Gmail with a set of instructions to validate that you are the chosen winner. Participants must have a valid Gmail account to comment on this video for contest entry. The information collected will be used to contact and send the winner the prize giveaway. The contest is not sponsored by YouTube. Auto Sensation and Auxito are solely responsible for the contest, selecting the winner, and distributing the prize giveaway. To review the details of the contest rules again, check the details below. Thank you all for your support and good luck. Also, I want to thank our sponsor Auxito for giving us a pair of LED light bulbs to give away in this video.